Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the current affair that is on 20 December 2024. The first question is, which country has developed an mRNA vaccine for cancer patient? That is Russia. Russia has developed an mRNA vaccine for the cancer patient. So you should remember this point that the Russia has developed the mRNA. Russia has developed mRNA vaccine for cancer patient. You should remember this vaccine will be available from early 2025 and distributed from free to Russian. Now you should remember this point. Now we moves to another question. Who was awarded the Sahitya Academic Award 2024 in Hindi? The answer is Gagan Gill. The Sahitya Academic Award 2024 has given to Gagan Gill. The Sahitya Academy has announced the names of writer of 21 languages. How many languages? So 21 languages. The awards in Badla, Urdu and Dogri will be announced later. So you should remember about this Sahitya Academy. This year award for Hindi literature has been given to poetess Ganga Gill. Ganga Gill has been awarded the Sahitya Academic Award for his work मैन जब तक आए बहार मैंने जब तक आए बहार. Aston Keir will be honored with the Sahitya Academic Award for his novel Spirit Nights in English and Sudhir Russell for his criticism Bindanche Gudrup in Marathi. The awards include Deepak Kumar Sharma Poetry Collection in Sanskrit, Mukut Maniraj Poetry Collection in Rajasthani, Paul Kaur Poetry Collection in Punjabi, Sohan Kaul Novel in Kashmiri, and Dilip Javeri Poetry Collection in Gujarati, among others. The awarded will be given on March 8, 2025, include a cash prize of 1 lakh and engraved copper plate and a shawl. Now moves to another question. For the first time, Ganga River dolphin tagging has been conducted in Assam. The answer of this question is Assam. So you should remember, first time in India and the world that Gangetic the river dolphin has been tagged. As part of wildlife conservation, a male Gangetic dolphin Platanista gagnetic has been satellite tagged in Kulsi, a tributary of Brahmaputra river in Assam. You should remember, this is the first tagging for his species, and this milestone is a significant advancement of Project Dolphin. This initiative has been conducted by the Wildlife Institutes of India (WII) in collaboration with the Assam Forest Department and Aranayak with funding from the National Campa Authority. Now moves to another question. Who has recently been declared Cambridge Dictionary Word of the Year 2024? That is Manifest. Cambridge Dictionary Word of the Year 2024 has been announced for us Manifest, following a global wellness trend backed by celebrities including singer Dua Lipa. The word manifest, which is used in the sense of celebrities to imagine an achievement, developed with the belief that doing so would increase the enhance of that achievement occurring, was declared the word of the year by Cambridge Dictionary. So you should remember that the manifest has been declared Cambridge Dictionary word of the year. Now moves to another question. Which joint naval exercise between India and Sri Lanka started on 17 December 2024? That is SIMBEX. The Eastern Naval Command (ENC) will conduct SLENEX 2024, the bilateral naval exercise between India and Sri Lanka of the Visakhapatnam coast from December 7 to 20. The exercise will take place in two phases: the harbour phase from December 70 to 80 and the sea phase from December 90 to 20. The SLENEX, initiated in 2005, is a significant series of bilateral naval exercises that have enhanced maritime cooperation between India and Sri Lanka. The Indian naval ship INS Sumitra, a naval offshore patrol vessel of the Eastern Fleet along with a special forces team will participate on behalf of India. Now moves to another question. India first of its kind anti-pesticide body suit was launched by Science and Technology Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh. What is the name of this body suit? That is Kisan Kavach. India first of its kind anti-pesticide body suit Kisan Kavach launched by Science and Technology Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh. Kisan Kavach is designed to protect farmers from the harmful effect of pesticide exposure. Kisan Kavach is washable and offers protection against pesticide-induced toxic. Now moves to another question. That is, what is the name of a tropical disturbance that formed in the southeast of Diego Garcia that affected several countries including Mauritius, France and Mozambique in December 2024? That is Cyclone Chido. Cyclone Chido affected Mayotte, the poorest region in France. Winds exceeded to 200 km per hour, 124 miles per hour, resulting in damage to homes, uprooting trees, and affecting public utilities. तो you should remember Cyclone Chidodo is Category 4 storm made landfall in Pemba in northern Mozambique. Now moves to another question. Uh, It marks Goa independence from Portuguese rule in 1961. When is Goa Liberation Day observed every year? That is on 19 January. So is November in 19 January in 1961. Goa independence from Portuguese. Now moves to another question. Recently, Arctic report card has been published by which organization? That is National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. The Arctic tundra has transitioned from a carbon sink to carbon emitter, as confirmed by new analysis in the Arctic report card by National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Now moves to another question. Which of the following countries have decided to study laser-equipped satellite to tackle space debris? That is India and Japan. Japan, and India startups have decided to study laser-equipped satellites to tackle space debris. Now moves to another question. Who has been appointed as Managing Director of the State Bank of India? That is Rama Mohan Roy Amara. Rama Mohan Roy Amara has been appointed as Managing Director of State Bank of India. Now moves to another question. The Protected Area System (PAR) has been re-implemented in which of the following states by Union Minister of Home Affairs? That is Manipur, Mizoram, and Nagaland. This is the last question, so you should remember this. You should subscribe and share the channel.